ஹாய் வியூவர்ஸ், வெல்கம் டு இனோவேஷன் சேனல். நம்மளோட சேனல் உங்களுக்கு பிடிச்சிருந்ததுன்னா சப்ஸ்கிரைப் பண்ணுங்கள், கீழே இருக்கிற பெல் ஐக்கானையும் ப்ரெஸ் பண்ணுங்கள். எங்களோட வீடியோஸ் உங்களுக்கு இமீடியட்டாக கிடைக்கும். வாங்க இப்போ நம்ம வீடியோக்குள்ளார போகலாம். Hi students, today we are going to learn 2nd Standard Science Term 1. Shall we go into the lesson? The first lesson topic is our environment. Our environment. Okay students, now you say me, what is environment? Yes, environment is our surrounding. So what do we see? Our surrounding is called environment. That is plants, animals and other human beings, living things, non-living things, they all comes under environment. Shall we see in detail? Our earth has different landforms and water bodies like forests, plains, mountains, hills, deserts, rivers and seas. So what does our earth contain? So நம்ம earthல என்ன இருக்கு, நம்மளை சுற்றி என்ன இருக்கோ அதுதான் environment. So நம்ம சுற்றி என்னெல்லாம் பார்ப்போம்? So we will see the forest, plains, பிளெயின்ஸ்னா விளைநிலங்கள், மவுண்டைன்ஸ், ஹில்ஸ், டெசர்ட்ஸ், ரிவர்ஸ் அண்ட் சீஸ், இது எல்லாமே தான் நம்மளை சுற்றி இருக்கிறது. There was a big celebration in school for the National Children's Science Congress. Everybody was excited. Students had come from many schools from all over India. They introduced themselves and spoke about the places they had come from. So once in a school there was a National Children's Science Congress. For that from all over the India, எல்லா பிளேஸ்ல இந்தியால இருந்து எல்லா பிளேஸ்ல இருந்தும் they joined together for this program, that is National Children's Science Congress. So now they came from different places, so they introduced by themselves. Daniel said, I live near a forest. So where does Daniel live? He lives near a forest. A forest has a large number of trees. The ground is covered with bushes and grass. Streams and ponds are also found in the forest. So Daniel, he was living near the forest. So he says that what can we see from the forest? That is, we can see large number of trees, நிறைய மரங்கள். The ground is covered with bushes and grasses. So ground எல்லாம் பார்த்தீங்கன்னா full of bushes இருக்கும், bushes and grasses இருக்கும். Streams and ponds are also found. So streams means ஓடைகள், ஓடை and the ponds, குளம், குட்டை எல்லாமே அங்கே இருக்கும்னு சொல்கிறான். It is a home to many animals like elephants, tiger, deer, lions, bears and snakes. So these are the animals live in the forest. Birds like peacocks, doves, sparrows, parrots and woodpecker live there. You can hear the different sounds of animals. I like the forest. It is cool and shady. So he says that he can find many wild animals and birds also seen in the forest. So due to birds and animals are living there, we can hear many sounds. So many different sounds can be heard in the forest. So it is since it is full of bushes and it full of trees, it is cool and shady. Forests are useful to use in many ways. We get wood, honey, fruits, rubber and many other things from the forest. So from the forest what do we get? Wood. நம்ம wood கிடைக்கும், நிறைய மரங்கள் இருக்கிறனால we will get the wood, honey, fruits, rubber and etc. we will get from the forest. The age of a tree can be found by counting the number of annual growth rings in its trunk. Annual rings. So see, this is the annual, when we cut the stem log, you can find the annual rings. By this, the age of the tree can be judged. Some birds found in the forest can also be seen near our houses. Put a tick mark for the birds that you can see. See children, here some birds are given here. So whatever the birds you see near your houses, you can put the tick mark. Okay, you do this activity. Plain and hill. Tarun said, I come from a farming family. We live in the plains. A plain is a flat land area. It is warmer than the hills. Plains are important for growing crops. Without growing crops, how can we get our food? So Tarun says that he is coming from plains. So plains is a what? A flat area. ஸோ விவசாய பூமியை தான் என்ன சொல்லுவாங்க? பிளெயின்ஸ். ஸோ இட் இஸ் த பிளேஸ் வேர் த கிராப்ஸ் ஆர் க்ரோயிங். ஸோ நம்ம பிளெயின் ஏரியாவில் தான் என்ன பண்ணுவோம்? கிராப்ஸ் எல்லாம் க்ரோ பண்ணி கல்டிவேஷன் பண்ணுவோம். ஸோ ஹீ இஸ் ஆஸ்கிங் ஹவு கேன் வி கெட் அவர் ஃபுட்? ஸோ வென் த கிராப்ஸ் ஆர் நாட் க்ரோயிங், ஹவு கேன் வி கெட் த ஃபுட்? Farms get water from the rain, river, lakes, ponds and wells. So how do the farms they get the water? So எங்கேருந்து அவங்களுக்கு water கிடைக்குது கல்டிவேஷனுக்கு, harvesting? They get from rain, river, lakes, ponds and wells. We find many animals like cows, goats, bullocks, buffalo and many kinds of birds there. So we can find these are domestic animals, no? So we can find cows, goats, bullocks, buffaloes and many kinds of birds are near the plains. I like to watch the birds. So he is saying like that. So he came from plains. Next, Kamakshi said, I live in the hills. So where does Kamakshi live? She lives in the hills. A hill is like a mountain but not so high. So hill is what? It is like a mountain. மலைகள் தான், but it is not so high. ரொம்ப ஹைட்டாக இருக்காது. Mountains will be so high. Hill வந்து it will be lesser than that. Hills are generally green and beautiful. It is also much cooler than the plains. People visit the hill station especially in summer. So in summer the people they visit the hill station since it is very cooler than plains. So hill station you can see Ooty, Kodaikanal, those are the hill station. So there you can see the hill station will be green and beautiful. So many flowers will be there, the many trees will be there. So it looks very green and beautiful and even cooler than plains. Okay. Look at this picture. This hill looks as if steps have been made on it. Crops are grown in the step farms, also called as terrace farms. Tea and coffee are grown on some hills. So children, you can see here, these are the hills. You can see the stepwise, it is called farming. So this is the way of farming in hills. Hills, since it is not plain. Hills la pathina or flat ana land irukadu. ஸோ அவங்க எப்படி ஃபார்மிங் பண்ணுவாங்கன்னு பார்த்தீங்கன்னா ஸ்டெப் மாதிரி அதை க்ரியேட் பண்ணிவிட்டு ஸோ த ஃபார்மிங் வில் பி டன் இன் த ஸ்டெப்ஸ். திஸ் கைண்ட் ஆஃப் ஃபார்மிங், இந்த மாதிரி ஸ்டெப்பாக நம்ம ஃபார்மிங் பண்ணுறதுக்கு நேம் என்ன? டெரஸ் ஃபார்மிங். ஸோ இதில் பார்த்தீங்கன்னா டீ அண்ட் காஃபி தான் மோஸ்ட்லி அவங்க வந்து ஃபார்ம் பண்ணுவாங்க. ஹில் ஸ்டேஷனில் நம்மளுக்கு நிறையா ஃபார்மிங் நடக்கிறது வந்து டீ அண்ட் காஃபி தான் ஃபார்மிங் பண்ணுவாங்க. Udagamandalam, Ooty is called the queen and Kodaikanal is called the princess of hill stations in Tamil Nadu. So I told you, no, so Ooty and Kodaikanal is called the are the hill stations in Tamil Nadu. Ooty is called queen and Kodaikanal is called princess. Okay, queen and princess. Our state animal, the Nilagiri Thar, is found in the Nilagiri mountains. So what is our state animal? The Nilagiri Thar. This is our state animal. So this was found only in Nilagiri mountains. So children, see here, fill in the columns with given words. Cool, tea, flat, step, farms, warm, sugarcane, hill station, coffee, high crops. Plains are given here, hills are given here. So plain and hill, two divisions is given here. You want to take and write what are the things you found, what are the words related to plain, you have to write here, and the words related to hill should be written here. Okay, you do it. Next, let us see pond. It is dangerous to get into the pond to pluck the lotus and lily forest. So see here, in ponds lily will be growing. So it is very dangerous to go into the pond. Now Sulaiman said, I would like to speak about the pond in my village. So now Sulaiman, he is living near the pond. So he is going to say about the pond. A pond is a place where water collects. It gets filled by rain. Fishes, insects, snakes, frog, crab and turtles live in the ponds. So Suleiman, he was living near the pond. So he have a pond in his village. So he says that pond is a place where water collects. So pond is kulam சொல்லுவோம் நம்ம. So water will be collected. The rain water will be collected in the pond. So ஒரு large space of areas வந்து dig பண்ணி இருப்பாங்க. So அந்த ஏரியால வந்து the waters will be collecting. So that is called pond. It gets filled by rain water. So what can we see in the ponds? You know, fishes, insects, snakes, frogs, crabs and turtle. Turtle means ஆமை and crab is நண்டு. In a pond. Flowers like water lily and lotus are also found in ponds. So what are the flowers we can see? Lily and lotus can be seen. A lake is bigger than pond. So a small area la இருக்கிறது வந்து pond. அதை விட பெருசா more area, vast area is called as lake. See, a fish is given. The way to draw the fish, you try it. River and sea. So now we are going to see river and sea. Sultana said, I live near a river. So Sultana says that she lives near the river. I love to watch the river flowing. It starts its journey on a mountain, follows a path and finally flows into the sea. So how does the river forms? How does the river is flowing? So the river is flowing, it starts from the mountain. So high mountain, மலைகள்ல இருந்து வரதுதான் என்னது river. So மலைகள்ல இருந்து river வந்து so it make a path, அதுக்குன்னு ஒரு path create பண்ணி it will comes through the path and finally flows into the sea. So rivers வந்து மவுண்டெயின்லேருந்து ஸ்டார்ட் ஆகி it comes through the river by its path. ஃபைனலி அது எங்கே போய் ஃப்ளோ ஆகும், எண்ட் ஆகும், இட் வில் ஃப்ளோஸ் இன்டு த சீல போய் கலந்துரும். We use river water in many ways. Because of this, in olden days, people lived near the river. So, in river water is used for many ways. So, river water is a drinking water. So, it is used in many ways. So that only people olden daysலாம் பார்த்தீங்கன்னா அவங்களோட லிவிங்கே எங்கே இருக்கும், ரிவர் சைடில் தான் இருக்கும். So, they will be living near the rivers. Many kinds of fishes, crabs and birds live in and around the river. So these are fishes, crabs and birds are living in and around the river. Sometimes boat race are also held in river. My brothers like to participate in the boat race. So sometimes boat race were also taken place in the river. Okay. Now let us see journey of river. See, this is the picture it is given. These are the mountains and you can see the mountains are here. It is flowing through the path. It flows through the path and finally it flows into the sea. Okay. These are the river. The river is flowing. These are the river. See. Gopal said, I belong to the family of a fisher folk. So he is saying that he belongs to a family of fishermen. So we live near the sea. So they live near the sea. A sea is a large water body. The sea water is salty. So how does the sea water is? Sea water is salty. We get salt from the sea. So we get salt from the sea. Plants, fishes, turtles, prawns and crab live in the sea. So these are fishes, turtle, prawns and crab will live in the sea. We go fishing in the sea using fishing boats called catamarans, that is kattumaram, and fishing nets. So using fishing nets, they go by catamarans. Catamaran is the kattumaram in Tamil, they will say. See here, this is called kattumaram and this is fishing nets. They used to go for fishing in the sea. We get pearls from oyster. Okay. See children, here the dialogue box is given. So you read this and tick the right answer. Okay. Now let us see desert. Miwaram and Kamala said, we come from a desert area. So Mevaram and Kamala, they came from the desert area. Desert is a hot and sandy place. So what is desert? Desert is a பாலைவனம். பாலைவனம் சொல்கிறது தான் desert. அங்கே பார்த்தீங்கன்னா ரொம்ப hot and sandy-ஆ இருக்கும், full of sand. There are hills of sand called as sand dunes. So the hills of sand, sandலேயே பார்த்தீங்கன்னா hill மாதிரி இருக்கும். So that is called as sand dunes. So மணல்லையே hills மாதிரி இருக்கும், that is called as sand dunes. The cactus plants grow in the desert since it needs very little water to live. So in desert cactus plants will be growing. So cactus plants வந்து water நிறைய இருக்காது, தேவைப்படாது. So cactus plants will be growing in the desert. Camels are used for traveling in the desert. So அது மணலா இருக்கிறனால, so only camels are used for traveling. The camel is called the ship of the desert. So which is the ship of the desert? Camel. Since we have a very little water, we use it carefully. So desertல பார்த்தீங்கன்னா உங்களுக்கு வாட்டர் இருக்காது. So the water shortage will be there in the desert. Since it is sandy-ஆ இருக்கிறனால, மணல் பகுதியாக இருக்கிறனால, there is no sort of desert, no water will be found. So only very little water will be found. So it should be used carefully. All the students were happy to know about each other's homes and surroundings. They became aware that they were a part of nature. They took a pledge to care for the environment and the natural life around them. Shall we also take such a pledge? The camel can drink a large amount of water at one go. It can live without food and water for many days. So now all the students, they were saying about their places. So they now came to know about different places. So அவங்க different students வந்து எங்கெங்கே வந்திருக்காங்க. So we saw what hills, we saw plains, we saw mountains, deserts and fishing area, that is sea area, ponds, everything we saw. So by this they came to understand their living, the kinds of birds were living there, the animals and trees were living there. So we came their life environment, we came across what is the environment they are living around them. Okay students, by this you learn that what is forest, about forest you learned about forest, hills, plains, then deserts, the seas, ponds, etc. Okay, that's all, the lesson over. By this our environment you learn again and go through this video again. Okay students, now let us see the book back answers. See, one word answers. Match the following. Desert. So desert is camel, plain, cow, forest, lion, pond, fish. Right. Now see, draw a line to connect the landforms with their names. See, desert, river, sea, hill, forest, plain is given. You have to draw the lines. Then this is true or false. Write true, T, F for false. Step farming is done in hills. What is it? True or false? True. The horse is called ship of the desert. False. Lions and tigers are found in the forest. True. A forest has sand dunes. False. Now classify the following words. See here, words are given. Forest, pond, desert. So camel, duck, tiger, cactus, sand, fish, elephant, water, lotus, deer, tree. So you classify this and write related to these places. Complete the following sentence using the phrases given in. Can drink a lot of water at one go, is full of trees, has step farms, has salt water, is smaller than a lake. So here a forest is given. A forest is full of trees. The sea has salt water. A camel can drink a lot of water at one go. A pond is smaller than a lake. A hill has step forms. Okay students, by this the lesson over. So the environment is very important for us. We have to save our environment and we should take care of the environment from any of the destruction. So it is our duty to save our environments. Okay children, thank you for watching this video. If you like this video, like, comment, share and subscribe our innovation channel. Thanks for watching the video. Thank you.